This is the fastest attack in the game. The trigger attack maximizes speed by taking full advantage of the basic collision course. If there were no abilities, that's switch strike abilities, avatar abilities, type abilities, attack, defense, stamina, etc., battles would look just like this. Movements and collision. And this is the basic collision course. And it is a 3-stage loop. 1 hover, 2 collision, 3 retreats, and of course the loop. So the hover implies specific movement without trying to collide with the other bay. After hovering for a while, a bay will initiate an automatic collision, which is the collision phase, and after colliding, the bays usually move away from each other in a straight line, which is the retreat, and loop again before the hover. So, activating your attack type ability during the hover phase will force your bay to curve out of your former trajectory and curve to chase down your hovering opponent. But the shortest distance between 2 points is a straight line. Now the trigger attack solves this problem by activating the attack ability during the collision phase but before the actual collision. This works perfectly because during the collision phase, a bay automatically takes the shortest path to the opponent. So activating the attack ability simply accelerates and powers up the attack. There are so many applications. 1. The speed of the attack leaves little time for your opponent to react, so it's perfect for a hit and run strategy. 2. The sudden change in the camera angle helps in orb hoarding. 3. If your bay enters the collision phase first, the trigger attack is fast enough to collide with your opponent before it also enters the collision phase, forcing an offensive collision as opposed to a simultaneous one. 4. It can be used in juggling on its own or with a double strike. And 5. It initiates some advanced techniques, but we'll get to that later. It is important to note that the animation before switch strike abilities make them more predictable, though the crescent cut is also pretty fast. Due to the trigger attack speed, you will enter a retreat collision loop till the attack ability stops. But if you don't want to collide again, to avoid a nullify or batten or for stalling, you can break out of the loop by nullifying it yourself and then going for a 25% avatar attack if you're stalling. More details and links in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to Technical Blader for more techniques and strategies and other awesome videos. Goodbye and keep blading from a Technical Blader.